Hello everyone. In this video we are given these two equations and we have to find all real pairs xy. So let we move toward the solution. The given equations are these one. Let we call these equation as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here we have to note that x and y cannot be 0, because if we take x and y both 0, then these terms in both of the equations will be indeterminate form, and so 0 0 is not a solution. So to solve these equations, let we multiply equation number 1 with y and 2 with x. So when we multiply this equation number 1 with y, we will get this one, and when we multiply equation number 2 with x, we will get this one. Adding these two equations, we will get, if we add these two terms, then we will get 2xy, and then sum of these two terms, and that is equal to 0 plus 3y, that is equal to 3y. Taking LCM of these two terms, that is x square plus y square, and the numerator we will get this, that is equal to 3y. And from here we can see that 3xy will be cancelled out, and we will have 2xy minus y square plus x square, or x square plus y square, is equal to 3y. Again this will cancel out, x square plus y square in numerator and denominator will be cancelled out, and we will get a very simple equation, 2xy minus 1 is equal to 3y. Taking this 1 towards right, we will get 2xy is equal to 3y plus 1, and dividing both sides by 2y, we will get x is equal to 3y plus 1 divided by 2y. So this is what the value of x is. We can substitute this value either in equation number 1 or 2. So I will submit it in equation number 2, because equation number 2 is a bit easier because of having a 0 on the right hand side. So I have to calculate this term x plus 3y over x square plus y square. So first I calculate x plus 3y. So x plus 3y will be equal to, this is value of x, and then plus 3y, and after simplification we will get this term. Now the value of x square y square will be this one plus y square, this is value of x, and after simplification x square y square will be equal to this one. So here we can see that in denominator we have 4y square, so in x plus 3y we make it 4y square, so multiplying and dividing by 2y, so 3x plus 3y will become in the denominator 4y square, and if we multiply this by 2y, we will get 12y cube plus 6y square plus 2y. So dividing this and this, we will get x plus 3y over x square plus y square, that is equal to this relation. In this relation 4y square will be cancelled out, and we will get this value as this one. So substituting this value in equation number 2, which is this one, we will get this equation, and taking this term towards right, we will get y is equal to this one. Now here we can see that we can take y common from the numerator on the right hand side, and so we take it common, and y will be equal to this relation. On the left and right we can see that y will be cancelled out, and we have 1 is equal to this whole relation. By cross multiplying, we will get this one here. 6y on both sides will be cancelled out, and from here we can see that 4y power 4, 9y square, and here 12y square, this will become minus, so this will become minus 3y square. This is plus 1, and when 2 will shift it to the left, it will become minus 2, so it will become minus 1, that is equal to 0. This equation is a quadratic equation in y square, and we can factorize it by breaking its midterm. So 4y4 minus 3y square will be decomposed into minus 4y square plus y square, and minus 1 is equal to 0. Taking 4y square common, we will get y square minus 1, and from here just plus 1, and it will give y square minus 1. So taking y square minus 1 common, we will get other factor as 4y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Since y is a real number, and we can see that this factor 4y square plus 1 cannot be equal to 0 because y square is positive, so 4y square is also positive, and a positive number plus 1 is always a non-zero number, so this factor cannot be equal to 0, and the product is 0, so it means the only factor which is 0, that is y square minus 1. So y square minus 1 is equal to 0. From here we can find out y square is equal to 1, and taking square root on both sides, we will get y is equal to plus minus 1. So there are only two values of y, that are plus 1 and minus 1. Now we have x is equal to 3y plus 1 over 2y. We will submit these values here. For case 1, when y is equal to 1, we have x is equal to 2, and the pair xy will be equal to 2, 1. And for the case 2, when y is equal to minus 1, x after submitting this value is equal to 1, and the pair xy will be equal to 1 and minus 1. So there are only two pairs which are mentioned here, are the solution of given set of equations. That is the answer.